Hey Keeners, welcome back. Have you ever learned a cool new English word and then poof, it disappears from your memory the very next day? Frustrating, right? Don't sweat it. This is totally normal. Many language learners struggle to remember new vocabulary and, more importantly, how to actually use it in real life. Can you relate? Then this video is for you. Today, we're diving into 5 supercharged techniques that'll help you remember new words and, even better, actually use them. Ready? Grab a pen, maybe a snack, and let's dive in. How does our brain remember words? Let's start by tapping into a bit of brain science. Don't worry, it's fun. The more we see, use, and connect with a word, the more it sticks. So, to show you how this works, we'll practice with a word that might be new to you. Mystery. Do you know it yet? Something hidden, strange, unknown. Okay, Keeners, this will be fun. Next up, let's turn this mystery into something unforgettable. Technique number 1, make it personal. And it should be personal to you. One of the best ways to remember a word is to connect it to something meaningful in your life. So pause the video and think of something mysterious in your life. Maybe it's that strange sound your fridge makes at night, or why your pet acts like it's guarding a secret. Got it? Okay, write it down. And share your mystery idea in the comments. We'd love to hear it. Technique number 2, make it interesting. Ready to make this word stick even more? Let's put some personality into it. Use mystery in a sentence, but make it memorable. For example, the new teacher is a total mystery. No one even knows his name. Or, my cat is a mystery. I never know where she hides my socks. The funnier or more surprising your sentence, the better it'll stick. Go ahead, write yours down and drop it in the comments if you want to share your creative genius. Technique number 3, connect it to a picture. Did you know your brain remembers images even better than words? True story. So let's link mystery to a mental picture. Maybe it's a foggy forest, a locked door, or something else mysterious that pops into your mind. Close your eyes, picture it, or draw it if you're feeling artsy. When you connect a word to a vivid image, it's way easier to remember. Technique number 4, use it 3 times today. Let's put mystery to the test. Here's your challenge. Use it 3 times in one day. Try to slip it into conversations. If someone asks what you're having for lunch, you can say, I don't know, it's a mystery. Or maybe I love a good mystery movie. Making it part of your real conversations will lock it into your brain as part of your vocabulary. Got any creative uses for it? Let us know in the comments. And now for our final and most powerful technique. Teach it. When you explain a word to someone else, you reinforce your own understanding. So find a friend, family member, or even your pet, and tell them all about mystery. Share an example, explain what makes it cool, and see how it sticks in your own mind. If you try this, let us know in the comments who you taught and how it went. All right, Keeners, those are your 5 techniques. Let's do a quick recap. First, make it personal to you. Second, use it in a memorable sentence. Next, connect it to a picture. Then use it at least 3 times in one day. And finally, teach it to someone else. Remember, learning vocabulary can be an adventure if you get creative. Try these out and let us know which one works best for you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more English tips to make learning fun and effective. And if you enjoyed the video, we would really love it if you liked and shared the video. Until next time.